Manish Bapna, e vice-presidente ejecutivo de World Resources Institute, uma organização global dedicada a atender 6 retos urgentes de sustentabilidade, entre outros, alimentação, água, clima, energia e cidade. Nações Unidas está abraçando a agenda de meta sustentável e está sentindo que a sociedade global político e empresarial porta catalisador para a implementação dessa aqui. O diretor do World Resources Institute quer que a nação insular de desenvolvimento está realmente compreender a ideia aqui. O primeiro-ministro Ayman a compartilhar a visão sustentável com a Nação Unida.
Inspiring. I mean, we need to see that type of leadership that recognizes that what matters for the planet also matters for people. And I think where Aruba is going in terms of demonstrating kind of leadership on this issue, both within what takes place within Aruba, but also quite importantly, how Aruba can be a role model for other island states and other countries around the world, absolutely important. We need to see more of those lessons being learned across different countries. I mean, I think island states truly understand how important sustainability is for development. That all too often some people think that to be thinking about the environment or sustainability on one hand will prevent or hinder development. But what we believe is quite the opposite, that they're not in tension, they're actually mutually interdependent. And I think that is nowhere more true than actually in islands. Different islands have shown leadership on, individual types of issues. But what we heard today, what Aruba is really demonstrating, is really how to look at this in a much more comprehensive and a much more transformative manner. And that's what I think we find quite encouraging and why we were quite keen to have him headline this particular event today.